Welcome. If you want to send a photo to a friend on Snapchat that they can only view once, you're in the right place. This updated guide will walk you through every step to make sure your photo disappears after just one view, keeping your moments private and secure. First, open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will bring up your profile page, where you'll see a list of options. Next, tap on My Friends. Here, you'll find all your Snapchat friends. Scroll through the list and tap on the name of the friend you want to send your one-time photo to. Now that you're in your friend's chat, look at the bottom of the screen for the gallery icon. It looks like a couple of photos stacked together. Tap on it to open your phone's gallery. Browse your gallery and select the photo you want to send. Once you've picked your photo, tap the edit icon at the bottom. This will let you make any quick changes or add stickers and text if you want. After editing, find the time icon. It usually looks like a little stopwatch or timer. Tap on it to set how long your friend can view the photo. For a one-time view, select the one or one-time option. This ensures your friend can only see the photo once before it disappears forever. Once you've set the timer, double-check your photo and any edits. When you're ready, tap the send button. Your friend will receive the photo, and as soon as they open it, they'll only get one chance to view it before it's gone. That's all there is to it. Sending a one-time view photo on Snapchat is a simple way to share moments without worrying about them being saved or replayed. Try it out the next time you want to send something special and temporary. Thanks for watching, and happy snapping.